Welcome to our video guide on starting an LLC and obtaining an Employer Identification Number (EIN) in Massachusetts. In this comprehensive video, we will explain why you should consider starting an LLC and walk you through the step-by-step process of setting up your business and obtaining an EIN. So, let's get started. Why should anyone start an LLC in Massachusetts? Well, there are several compelling reasons. 1. Limited liability protection. By forming an LLC, limited liability company, you protect your personal assets from any business-related liabilities. This means that in the event of lawsuits or debt, your personal finances remain separate from your business. 2. Credibility and professionalism. An LLC lends credibility and professionalism to your business. It shows potential clients, partners, and investors that you are serious about your venture and operate under a legal business structure. 3. Tax flexibility. LLCs offer flexibility in how you are taxed. By default, LLCs are considered pass-through entities, which means the business's profits and losses pass through to the owner's personal tax returns, avoiding double taxation. 4. Simplified management. LLCs provide a more flexible management structure compared to corporations. You have the freedom to choose how the company will be managed, either by the owners, member-managed, or by designated managers, manager-managed. 5. Easier funding and growth. LLCs have an advantage when it comes to securing funding and attracting investors. The structure allows you to offer ownership interests, known as membership interests, in exchange for capital. Now, let's move on to the step-by-step guide for starting an LLC in Massachusetts. Step 1. Choose a name. Research and select a unique name that complies with Massachusetts LLC naming requirements. Check the availability of your chosen name using the Massachusetts Secretary of State's online database. Step 2. Appoint a registered agent. A registered agent is a person or entity responsible for accepting legal documents on behalf of the LLC. You can appoint yourself, a trusted associate, or hire a professional registered agent service. Step 3. File Articles of Organization. Prepare the Articles of Organization form, which includes information about your LLC, such as its name, address, purpose, and management structure. Submit the completed form along with the filing fee to the Massachusetts Secretary of State's office. Step 4. Create an operating agreement. While not required by law, having an operating agreement is highly recommended. An operating agreement outlines the ownership, management, and operating procedures of the LLC. Step 5. Obtain necessary permits and licenses. Research and obtain any required permits or licenses specific to your business and industry. Check with local and state agencies to ensure compliance with all regulations. Step 6. Register for taxes. Obtain an Employer Identification Number (EIN) from the Internal Revenue Service (IRS) by applying online or by mail. Massachusetts may also require additional state tax registrations, such as sales tax or employer withholding taxes. Now that we've covered the steps to start an LLC, let's move on to obtaining an Employer Identification Number (EIN) for your business. Step 1. Determine eligibility. Ensure your LLC is eligible for an EIN. Most businesses with employees or those that file certain tax returns require an EIN to sign up for an EIN. Step 2. Gather required information. Prepare the necessary information before applying for an EIN. You'll need details such as your LLC's legal name, address, responsible party's name and social security number, SSN, and the purpose of the LLC. Step 3. Choose the application method. The IRS provides several ways to apply for an EIN, online, by mail, or by fax. The online application is the most convenient and quickest method. Step 4. Complete the online application. Visit the IRS website and access the online EIN application form. Fill in the required fields, providing accurate and up-to-date information. Double-check all the details to avoid errors and delays. Step 5. Submit the application. Once you've completed the application, review it one more time. Submit the application electronically. The IRS will instantly generate your EIN upon successful submission. Step 6. Save and record your EIN. Once you receive your EIN, save it in a secure location. Record it in your business files, as you will need the EIN for various purposes, such as tax filings, opening a bank account, and hiring employees. Congratulations! You've successfully started your LLC and obtained an EIN in Massachusetts. Remember, starting an LLC offers numerous benefits, such as limited liability protection, tax flexibility, and credibility. By following the step-by-step process we've outlined, you've taken a significant step towards establishing a legally recognized and well-structured business. Thank you for watching our video guide. We hope you found it helpful and informative. Good luck with your LLC journey in Massachusetts. If you are confused or consider these steps to be difficult, you can employ a professional formation service to file your LLC. Northwest Registered Agent is an amazing company that will guide you through creating your LLC. They even have a service where they will file your LLC for you without you going through any hassle. Watch the rest of the video, where I will show you how to form an LLC in under 1 minute through Northwest Registered Agent. The full review of Northwest Registered Agent is also given in the description down below. Starting an LLC? Let us show you how to do it in a right way. First thing first, the whole point of an LLC is to separate you and your business. That's what protects your finances and privacy. Start by appointing a registered agent. Your LLC official point of contact. Hiring a registered agent is smart and affordable method to maximize privacy. Next, see if your name is available by checking your state business database. Now you are ready to file state paperwork. The average fee is around $100. Apply for a free EIN from IRS website. Having your tax ID in hand you'll make the rest steps easy. Put your LLC policy in writing with an operating agreement. Make it easy with free template like ours. Remember when we said LLC separates you and your business, that's why your LLC needs its own bank account. Your bank account does not do any good in empty. Time for each member to contribute. Be prepared for annual files and fees like state reports and taxes. Check the link in the description below. Start your LLC with Northwest Registered Agent.